I once told a waiter I was excitado for the food, thought I said excited. I actually told the entire restaurant something that got me banned from eye contact for the rest of dinner. Here's 10 words that sound completely innocent in English, but will absolutely wreck you in Spanish. Word 1. Embarazada. You're trying to say, I'm embarrassed. What you're actually saying is, I'm pregnant. Every single time, no exceptions. The correct word is avergonzado. Trust me on this one. Learn it before you need it. Word 2. Excitado. This is the one that got me banned from eye contact. You think you're saying excited. You are not saying excited. In Spanish, this means sexually aroused. The word you actually want is emocionado. Write that down, tattoo it somewhere if you have to.
Word 3. Constipado. Sounds exactly like what you think it means, right? Nope. It means you have a cold, a regular, boring, stuffy nose cold. If you're actually constipated, that word is estreñido. Mixing these up has caused more pharmacy disasters than I'm comfortable admitting. Word 4. Molestar. In English, this word is loaded with bad meaning. In Spanish, it just means to bother or annoy. A kid asking, "¿Te molesto?" is just asking, "Am I bothering you?" Nothing sinister, just an annoying little brother. Word 5. Sopa versus Jabón. These two get mixed up constantly by beginners. Sopa means soup, Jabón means soap. One you eat, one you wash with. Ask for the wrong one at a restaurant and you're gonna have a weird conversation.
Word 6. Pie. You're hungry. You see pie on a menu somewhere. That is not dessert. Pie means foot. You almost ordered a foot. Pastel is what you actually want for pie. Word 7. Preservativo. This one ends careers. You think it means preservative, like in food, keeping it fresh. It does not mean that. It means condom. Asking a grocery store clerk, "Does this bread have preservativos?" will get you a very confused, very long stare. The word you want is conservante. Word 8. Ropa. Sounds like rope, right? It's not rope. It means clothes. If someone asks where your ropa is, they're not asking about rope. They're asking where your clothes are. Context matters here, obviously.
Word 9. Carpeta. You'd think this is a carpet. It's actually a folder, like for paper. Ask for a carpeta expecting flooring, and you'll get handed office supplies instead. Word 10. Pasta. You're thinking Italian food, noodles, the whole thing. In some Latin American countries, pasta can just mean toothpaste. Order pasta at the wrong place, and you might get handed Colgate instead of spaghetti. 10 words. 10 disasters waiting to happen. If you're heading to Mexico for the World Cup, write these down before you land, not after. Comment which one you would have definitely messed up. I already know it's at least one of these. Follow for the next batch. There's more where this came from.